My Dashboard tab. You'll see your property management company name on the left and your name on the right. Your dashboard is constructed with data that your property manager makes available. Note that this data may include estimated amounts and that you should refer to your published statements for actuals. You can click the icon in the upper left corner to minimize the menu. The cards at the top reflect data from the period selected. And you can use the filter to switch between portfolios as well as select from various periods. There are also graphs for income and expenses, and these display the top 5 for each for the selected period. You can toggle to include unpaid items and your graphs will change to include them. We've made the new contribution button prevalent, and if you don't have a payment account set up yet, the button will say Add Payment Account. Like the My Dashboard tab, the cards at the top display summary data for the period selected. And you can select the portfolio and date period using the filter. Filters applied on the dashboard will be used here, but can be changed using the filter. Changes made here will also be reflected in both tabs. The transactions appear in an easy-to-read table sorted by date. There are also pagination controls that allow you to see as much or as little data as desired. Lastly, you can download transactions from the period selected into an Excel file. The Bills tab. The Bills tab shows bills for the current month. There's a filter that works differently than the other tabs. This filter allows you to filter by bill date or payment date, status of paid or unpaid, and any period you would like to filter by. Actions that you may see here are View Detail, Generate PDF, and View Invoice if your property manager provides copies of invoices. The Bills Detail page contains sections for the bill detail, bill splits, payments, and any related documents. Reports tab. The Reports tab displays any reports that your property manager has published to you. By default, the page opens with each report expanded, and of course you can toggle this to collapse each. Viewing a report is as simple as clicking on the view icon. The reports open in a separate browser window to maximize the view. Tab. The Maintenance tab allows you to view work orders. You can filter based on status, open and/or closed, along with approval status. The default view will be open items with all approval status. Actions are contingent on how your portal is configured by your property manager. If approval is required, the actions will include an option to approve or reject. If View Work Order Detail is enabled, then there's an option to view detail. The Work Order Details screen shown has all selections collapsed. The default will show each section open. Sections viewable here are contingent on how your portal is configured by your property manager. You can also approve work orders within the Work Order Details screen. Another new option is having the Bills Action menu available within the Bills table in the Work Order Details. If configured, you can drill down to the bill detail from here. Thanks for watching.